Hello, I am Rita Williams. I am the Education Director here at Siebert School Youth Home. I'm very excited about our tour today, especially for all the parents that are not able to come to our open house that we have in October. We do that once a school year. A few things I want to tell you before we get started with the tour. We are a very individualized program. We have a teacher and a qualified behavioral health provider in each classroom with no more than 10 kids per class. We also are approved through the Arkansas Department of Education, which allows our grades to count for when our students go back to their home schools. One thing that sets us apart from a lot of other mental health agencies is that we do have a full school day with 7 periods. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our tour.
My name is Shelley Zellner. I'm Youth Home's recreational therapist, and I take care of our school recreation program. Our kids get credit. We are an accredited class, and we do physical education, but we also do it with a twist. We add a lot of therapeutic things. We do gardening, as you can see, farm to table. We also have a ropes course. We have pet therapy. We do a lot of fun social skill kinds of training. We do etiquette. We do a lot of physical fitness. Our kids get a lot of exercise. Our main goal is just to get them outside. And I love just having fun with our kids and teaching them how to just be kids.
My name is Taylor Toll. I do all administrative things to keep the school running. I am involved with your student in the classroom and behind the scenes. If you have any questions, my email is attached.
Hey, my name is Sean Page. I'm a social science teacher here at Siebert School. Been here for about 7 years. Teach all kinds of grades, all the way from 11-year-olds to 18-year-olds.
Good morning. I'm Rodney. I'm Mr. Page's teaching assistant. I'm a QBHP here at Siebert School, and I've been here 4 years, and I love it.
I'm Ms. Parker. I teach science, and I have been at Youth Home for 8 years.
My name is Steven. I work with Ms. Parker, help with behaviors, and I've been here for 4 years.
Hi, I'm Tom Morgan. I've been teaching here since 2017. I teach workplace readiness, personal finance, and life skills. If you heard your kids mention that they are bringing a baby home or they had a baby, then that will be me. We have people speak to them about financial literacy and different things like that. I love seeing the kids' face when they learn new information. They go bragging about how they learned to have APRs and different things like that. I really enjoy teaching your kids.
Hi, I'm Kennedy Goldman. I've been at Youth Home for 1 year. I am the QBHP for this time.
Hi, I'm Melissa Price. I teach language arts 6, 7, 8, English 9, 10, 11, 12, and literature for the older kids. I'm also in charge of the library and take the kids to the library at least once a week.
I'm Miss Audrey. I'm QBHP and work for Ms. Price in our classroom. I've been here 6 years, so I love the kids.
Hi, I'm Ben Malone. I'm a QBHP / floater / shift lead. This is my office. I often take the kids for walks, when they need breaks, or I help out in the classrooms, and our lead staff and teachers, they need a break. Yeah, that's me.
My name is Charles Hook. I work in the D zone here. I've been here for about 3 months. It's kind of like a place where you can get away from everything and just be a kid. You got a lot of different options. You can color. You can come here and take a nap, or you can just come talk to us about just different things in life.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Hinthorn. I'm the interventions manager. I've been here for 13 years. I really love to help the kids recognize their behaviors and their emotions and help them calm down. They come and sit in here and utilize our sound machine and our essential oil diffuser, or check out our fidgets and our comfort items, such as I'm fidgeting with now. We just like to help make them successful.
I hope you really enjoyed our tour and meeting all of our Siebert staff. We thoroughly enjoy having your kids here and doing all we can to hopefully brighten their futures. If you have any questions, concerns, always feel free to contact us.